grapevine is called that because it is a vine plant, so it's a very long, skinny stem that can grow along the ground or up something like a tree or a fence. And it does produce small grapes. The grapevine that we have here at Okeeheelee Nature Center is Muscadine grapevine, and there are over 10,000 other species, so it's really important we know which one is here. Grapevine can be found pretty much all throughout South Florida. They like to grow, again, along the ground or up something like a tree or a fence post or even other plants. So they're often intertwined with other plants, and sometimes takes a second to identify the grapevine against the other plant it might be growing along. So this plant, again, it's a vine. So the first and most important thing to remember is it has a very long, skinny stem, and it has leaves interspersed throughout the stem, and they almost look like a heart in their shape with little points on the ends. They are green leaves, and that stem is kind of a woody brown color. So the other vine plants that are often confused with grapevine, or grapevine is confused with them, would be Virginia creeper as well as poison ivy. So poison ivy and Virginia creeper, they're both vines. They grow on that long skinny stem, and they often grow right next to grapevine as well. So sometimes it's tough to tell the difference, but there are ways you can tell the difference between those three.